Hello everyone, welcome to Windsor Mazda today. We're talking about how to maintain your vehicle's resale value. Now we know that all cars will lose a percentage of their current value each year. However, you can minimize the depreciation hit by these simple steps. Step 1. Choose a vehicle with a high resale value. Not all vehicles will depreciate as quickly. Choose a brand or model with body styles that retain their value best through 3, 5, and 7 years. Step 2. Consider buying used or leasing. New cars will have already lost a good portion of their value after just 3 years. If you choose to buy used, the original owner has taken on that depreciation cost. Leasing a new car usually will have its depreciation value already calculated into the price. If the takeover price of that lease is lower than the resale value, you can end up with a great deal by leasing and then purchasing. Step 3. Keep your kilometers down. With every kilometer you roll on your car odometer, the risk of failure increases. Consider driving your vehicle only when necessary. If you take a long road trip, it might be worthwhile to get a rental car instead. For instance, any action you take to reduce your kilometers can minimize vehicle depreciation over the long haul. Step 4. Sell at the best time. Understanding the market before is essential before outing your car up for sale, as certain times of the year are best sellers. For instance, between spring and fall, more people buy used sedans, crossovers, and coupes. In the winter months, more people purchase trucks and larger SUVs. Step 5. Maintenance is key. The best way to minimize your car's depreciation is to maintain your vehicle regularly. Used car shoppers want a car they can rely on. And if you haven't kept detailed records of maintenance and repairs, they are less likely to trust you as a seller. Even if you aren't planning to sell, you must keep up with your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Maintaining your vehicle isn't difficult either. Form a relationship with Windsor Mazda Service Center, and we have your back by informing you of upcoming maintenance needs and recording all services accurately. For future sellers in Windsor, visit Windsor Mazda dealership for regular and routine maintenance. Call us today to book your service appointment. Thank you.